School facility wants to have a garden in their school, but the building has space constraints to have a specific area for garden. Hence, they came up with an idea to have a vertical garden. Watering plants and monitoring nutrients, a high vertical garden, can be challenging. So they came up with the idea to have an IoT-based hydroponic system where the nutrient and water levels can be monitored remotely and watering can be automatic based on the level of soil. Using Growvator platform, students implemented this solution. In this case, it would be using sensors such as pH to measure acidity levels, TDS, and temperature sensors connected to IoT gateway to monitor the different parameters of the plants and connect it to IoT cloud for remotely monitoring it. With AI integration, plant health can be assessed using cameras. Students then use Circuit Designer and Block Designer tool to implement these solutions. Students can then add any possible conditions like if the pH drops below a certain level, then give us a buzzer alert or automatically use these nutrients for a particular plant. Ultimately, the manager can receive real-time updates on their hydroponic vertical garden,